Hey guys! So for this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen with desktop audio in Mac using OBS. So first thing that we're going to set up is our screen capture. So over here at sources, you're going to click on the plus icon. Then you're going to click on screen capture. Then click on OK. Then you can choose on the options over here to show your cursor and hide OBS from capture. So just click on the option to enable them. Then after that, just click on OK. Now you can see your screen over here at the frame. So you want to readjust that so that your whole screen would fit exactly on the frame. And once you're satisfied with that, next thing that we're going to set up is our audio. So we're going to click on the plus icon again. Then you're going to click on audio capture. Then click on OK. Then over here at method, you can choose to record the audio of the desktop as a whole or just the audio of an application. And after that, just click on OK. And once you're ready to record, just click on start recording over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.